What if you could use PortaBilling's legacy invoice engine to build a fully customized telco invoice in minutes, all without developers, designers, and complicated tools? Well, now you can, thanks to a little help from AI. What used to take hours or even days, you can accomplish yourself in a matter of minutes. To be clear, PortaBilling's legacy invoice engine is an older tool, and yes, we're actively encouraging customers to switch to external PDF generators like CraftMyPDF for more flexibility and a modern user experience. But the reality is many customers still rely on this legacy engine and are accustomed to its workflow. They continue using it to request tweaks and updates to invoice templates, such as adapting them to new services and regions. Because it works, it's stable, and it's already integrated into their operations. But here is the challenge. Telecom invoice design can be anything but simple. You're juggling usage-based charges, subscription bundles, taxes, regulatory formats, and corporate branding all in one document. Add in the manual work, the risk of errors, and the time it takes to customize these templates, and it quickly becomes a costly drain on your team. Sure, PortaBilling can generate invoices out of the box, and you can add the basics like a logo, tables, etc. But further customizations, that's where it gets messy. You could use our visual editor, but it requires a designer and has limited template functionality support, or you can use the external template engine. But it means coding with HTML, CSS, Perl, and learning a custom toolkit. That's easily 1-2 days of development work. Or you could do it in 5 minutes with AI. All you need is a prompt, backed by an AI model capable of understanding and manipulating HTML code. So imagine this, you open an AI agent like Klein in Visual Studio Code. You tell it to take your invoice HTML file, make it look more modern, and then add a few hints on how you'd like it stylized for a modern look. That's it. No code diving, no toolkit, no trial and error. It's just you telling the AI what to do and watching it generate the necessary updates in real time. You re-upload the file and PortaBilling hit preview, and now you've got a clean, compliant branded invoice. That basic template, it took 5 minutes with AI. No waiting on developers, no emailing back and forth. Here's what this means for you. No more delays, no more coding barriers, no more small fixes taking a full sprint. Thanks to AI, you get fast, accurate invoice updates even in a legacy system. And when you are ready to move on to modern invoice generation using CraftMyPDF, we've got the tools and guides to help you with that too. But until then, if PortaBilling's legacy invoice system is your go-to solution, AI has your back. Start innovating with AI today. For information on creating your external invoice template with PortaBilling's legacy system, visit our documentation using the link in the description. Then update it using your LLM of choice and re-upload it to PortaBilling. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that notification button, and see you in the next video.